Today we are notching this one, putting an underbed notch. We're gonna get started right now and have this one done today. Get the bed off, start marking it and mocking it up. Next, cover the back window. We'll start marking the notches, clean up the frame, get them set on, tacked in, and weld them up. I have everything cleaned up. Notches are on. We'll go ahead and tack them up and go ahead and weld them. We'll go ahead and cut the bottoms out and then start welding in the next ones. Notches are welded to the frame. Next, I'll cut the frame out and then clean those up so they can be welded and stick them underneath them, get them tacked in, and get the notch done. It's all welded up. Next I'll paint it. Re-tap the frame for the brakes, for the brake line bracket. And then we'll get on installing the helper bags. Notches are painted. I went ahead and installed this helper bag kit. Had to do a little bit of modifications, as they say it works with notches, but it has to be set a few inches further back, so a few things have to be modified, but we can make them work. Ran it pretty much like they did. Schrader valve is on the license plate for easy access. This one's about done. Next, we're gonna go ahead, since we noticed they're rubbing the drive shaft, and that is extremely dangerous on these one pieces. This aluminum is thin, so you don't have much material left, or much material on the drive shaft itself to be eating it away. So we're gonna go ahead and cross this. We're gonna go ahead and notch this cross member. That way the customer don't have an issue with that anymore when he has a full load or a full truck. Make sure there's clearance, nothing touching. Cross member is done being notched. Give them a lot more room. I'll paint it, get this on the ground, put the wheels back on, cut the support bar off the bed, we'll get the bed back on, and this one will be done. All right, it's all done. Ready for the owner.